Dinesh Nandwana, who's the CMD of Vakrangee Software, joins us on the phone line from Mumbai. Mr. Nandwana, thanks very much for speaking with us. You completed generations of 1 crore Aadhaar cards. What is the next target for you for the company, and how does money flow in from this order?
We have already completed 1 crore 40 lakhs enrollment, and out of 1 crore 40 lakhs enrollment, 1 crore Aadhaar card has been generated. This is the last year figure. In current year, we are targeting 8 crore, near about 8 crore to 9 crore Aadhaar generation in current financial year.
Okay, and how would the payment of this be structured?
Payment is basically on the monthly basis. We are getting from the respective registrars. We are doing enrollment through 6 registrars. That is, 3 out of them are banks: Union Bank, Allahabad Bank, and Bank of India, and another is government, state governments.
So you're looking at 8 crores for FY13?
Yeah, by 12-13.
And that would provide a monthly income of?
If you see the total, so we are targeting near about near 250 crore to 300 crore top line from this vertical.
In the next financial year, that is FY13?
Yeah.
Okay. So that would, what kind of bottom line does that generate for you, 250 crores on the top line?
So we are getting near about 15 to 20% PAT.
20% PAT. I look at your Q3 operating margins, Mr. Nandwana.
Yeah.
The operating margins are 19%, which is the EBITDA margins. You're saying for Aadhaar, you're doing a 20% net profit margin?
If you see, we are in the last year. You are seeing the last year's data actually. In the last year data, mainly projects are from we were the consortium partner, or in many projects we were the subcontractor part. But as far as this year is concerned, we are getting project directly from the government. We are the prime bidder in this project. So we are getting full margin on that. So
you again, I'm just trying to get a sense. Your Q3 margins, if I'm not wrong, were 19.5%. Am I wrong out there?
Q3, right? You are right.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to just figure out is that because you're getting this directly from the government, your net profit margin is 20%. What would be your EBITDA margin on the Aadhaar project? And if you can also give me a breakup of what's, let's say for example, per card that you manufacture, what's the kind of money that you get per card that you do? You've done 1 crore Aadhaar cards. How much do you get per card?
If you see the per card basis, we are, I'm getting different registrars, different amount.
Okay.
So that is from 35 to 45 rupees per card I am getting. This is the selling value.
Okay, so just getting Neeraj's point in again on the operating profit margin picture. Then, if you're looking at 20% net profit margins, what will be the operational level?
Actually, if you see the last 3 years data, the EBITDA margin and PAT margin, in last 3 years we were having 5 to 6% PAT margin, and 18 to 20% was the EBITDA margin. But if you see the current project which we are doing right now, these projects has been allotted directly from the government to Vakrangee, not through any big IT companies. So EBITDA margin and PAT margin will be improved considerably in the coming years. So I'm expecting near about 10 to 12% in totality PAT margin in coming years.
So just leave us with a number of what you would do in terms of revenues and profits for FY12, Mr. Nandwana, and what kind of growth for FY13?
You mean to 11-12 or 12-13?
I mean both the years.
Current year we will have the near about 1250 crore plus top line, or near about 65 crore plus bottom line.
Okay.
And that result will be declared in current month only.
Sure. And what do you do for FY13, Mr. Nandwana?
Near about 1,500 to 1,600 top line, and having near about 10% plus PAT margin.
So you would do around 150 crores of bottom line in FY13.
Yeah.
That's over 100% growth in bottom line for the next year.
Yeah.
We wish you all the best for that, Mr. Nandwana, and we'll talk to you once your quarterly numbers or the annual numbers are out as well. Thanks so much for taking the time out.